If you spent any time on social media recently, you've probably seen this Earth zoom in effect. And if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how to create one yourself. Hi guys, my name is Omri from AI Academy. And today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to create the Earth zoom in effect that you've seen all over social media recently. Now the software that's being used in order to create this zoom in effect is Higgsfield AI. You can sign up with the link down in the description for free. And quickly, let's go over the capabilities of Higgsfield AI. Basically, you can create different AI images, AI videos. You can use it in order to create character consistent images and videos as well. I uploaded and created a character of my own. As you can see, there's a bunch of different images right here of me, and these are all AI generated just by training the model on 20 images of myself. You can also create different videos, which is a feature we'll be using for our effect today. And you can in-paint different things on a canvas using their in-painting feature. So if you want to edit something within the image, you can edit it by selecting it right here and then writing a prompt down here. Higgsfield's pricing plan is pretty straightforward. They have a free plan right here with 5 credits per day, and your credits get reset every day. With the free plan, you have access to all the visual styles for the image generations. You can generate 1 image at a time. You can generate up to 10 soul generations, which are based on consistent characters and products within your image, and you can use the canvas up to 20 times. Now keep in mind, this is again for the free plan. You can use the video to generate 1 Higgsfield video generation. With their model, you can have 1 concurrent generation for that as well, but you're unable to use the speak or character generation with the free plan, but you could do that with the basic plan, which is $9 a month. Super worth it. With that plan, you get 150 credits. So 150 credits you could use towards generations. You can do 2 concurrent generations at a time. So you can create a video and a picture at the same time. One is creating, you can also create the other one. And this basic plan for $9 a month gives you access to Higgsfield soul and character creations. So that's the thing I used for my image generation. And then with the pro plan that I have right here, you can have 600 credits a month, which is plenty on doing a lot of different things. You can generate 3 things at a time. And with this pro plan, you also get access to Higgsfield's turbo model and VO3. So you can use your credits towards VO3 generations, which is pretty cool. And you also get access to image editing features, and you're also able to control the start and end frame of each video that you're trying to generate. Now, ultimate plan and creator plans are a little bit overkill. I don't think you need that many things unless you're fully going towards AI content and all your content is generated by AI. So for now, let's just go on to the effect generation. So the easiest way to do this Earth zoom in effect is actually go to our explore page right here on Higgsfield and click the Earth zoom out effect. So basically they call it Earth zoom out, and it says the camera pulls back rapidly from the subject to reveal their city, the continent, and finally the entire Earth. Epic and cinematic, perfect for transitions, scale, storytelling. So the way to do this is we're first generating Earth zoom out and then reversing the video to make it look like a zoom in. So what we'll do is click generate, and then what we want to do is upload an image right here for our generation. Now typically on social media you see the Earth zooming in and then a video starts, whatever video it is. So for now we're going to use a video of a friend drifting their car. So what we want to do is open up that video and then take a screenshot of the first frame. This is what it looks like for me. So what we want to do is open up our video and then take a screenshot of the first frame of the video. So this is the first frame for my video, and what we're going to do is upload it right here. Once we upload our starting image, this will be the screenshot of the first frame of your video. So whatever video you're trying to use, this will be the first frame of it. So we'll actually add it as the first frame right here and then have the zoom out effect. So once it starts off with this image and then zooms out, in our editing software, we just reverse the video and then it zooms in, and then we're able to add that to the beginning of our video and it matches the first frame, and then we'll be able to have this zoom in effect and then the video starts. So let's do that real quick. So in order to do that, we'll just add that picture again and then click generate and then see what it gives us. So while this is generating, let's open up CapCut because it's the editing software that we use. CapCut is free and super easy to use. So if you're using it for TikTok, honestly, it's the best choice. If you're using it on your phone, if you're using it on your computer, it's super easy, free, and they have a ton of different features. So unless you're using like a super crazy expensive editing software, just use CapCut. You don't need anything else. So once we have CapCut open, let's drag in our video and drop it onto our timeline. And as you can see, this is a video of my friend drifting his Porsche. And basically what we want to do now is go to our first frame. This is the first frame we screenshotted and added to Higgsfield. And now once our video is generated on Higgsfield, we can just open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Very cool. So let's download this one real quick. And once we have it downloaded, let's do this. Download the video. Video is downloaded. Open up CapCut. Go to our Finder. Once we have CapCut open, we'll drag the video that we just downloaded onto here to import it. And we will add it now to our timeline right here before our first video. Now, as you can see, it is starting off with our first frame and then zooms out. And then we have our video. So what we want to do now is just click on this video and reverse it. Now, every editing software will let you do this, but in CapCut, basically you just hover over this button right here, click reverse, and now we have a reversed version of that clip. And the last frame of this clip is the picture that we uploaded. So now when we open it up and play it, this is what it's going to look like. So yeah, pretty cool. Now you know how to do this zoom in effect, and it takes literally a couple minutes, and we have a fully fleshed out video that will probably do well on TikTok or YouTube Shorts because it has this cool little effect in the beginning that a lot of people don't know how to do, but now you do know how to do it. So there we go. So yeah, super simple. Let's go over it real quick. So first thing we want to do is sign up for Higgsfield AI. We'll then screenshot the first frame of our video that we want to use. Once we have that screenshot down, we'll click on the explore page and select Earth Zoom Out. Then we'll use that screenshot as the first frame. You don't need to prompt it or anything. Then we'll just click generate. Once we have the video done and generated, we'll download it and add it to our editing software. And once we have it in our editing software, we'll just select the video clip from Higgsfield and reverse the video and put it before our original video. And now we have them stitched together, and there we go. We have a fully working video. Now you can also add like bird sound effects and different like airplanes and stuff like that for the Earth zoom in to make it seem a little bit more realistic, because as the camera goes through the Earth, a lot of times adding these little sound effects will help you out. And if you want to see more tutorials, just comment down below. Let me know what you want to see me do and teach you how to do. And as you can tell, we have a ton more AI tutorials on this channel, so please subscribe to the channel to see me next week. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you in the next one.